Right now, wherever you are sitting, whether it's on a sofa or a hard chair, do one simple thing with me. Cross your arms over your chest and try to stand up. Be honest, did you fail? Did you have to jerk your body forward to get momentum? Or did your hand instinctively reach for the armrest to push yourself up? If you hesitated for even a second, that isn't just fatigue, it's your first warning sign that your legs are failing to support your own body weight. And I want you to really listen to this part, because it's not meant to scare you, it's meant to wake you up. Today, you rely on the armrest, tomorrow it's a cane, and the day after that, you become a prisoner in your own home, simply because you're too afraid to step outside. But here's the good news, and it's real. This process can be stopped, not in a year, not someday, starting today. In this video, we're going to do a routine that will wake up the deep muscles in your legs and bring confidence back to every single step you take. No weights, no gym, no complicated equipment, just you and a few minutes of focused work. But please, be careful. Most people over 60 make one fatal mistake. They start these exercises, but they ignore one critically important nutritional detail. Without it, this training can wear down your joints instead of healing them. I'm going to reveal this secret building block at the very end of the video, so please stay with me, do the routine, and then don't miss the final piece. That's where the results lock in. We never start a car in the middle of winter and immediately drive it at top speed on the highway. We let the engine warm up. Your joints are exactly the same. We need to lubricate them first. Stand tall with your feet together. If you need stability, lightly place your hands on your knees. Bend your knees slightly, just a small dip. Keep your heels on the floor if you can, or let them lift slightly if that feels more natural. Now, imagine you're drawing a circle on the ground with your knees. We're going to do 10 slow rotations in one direction. Keep a nice, steady pace. Don't force the range beyond what feels comfortable. Listen to your body. If you hear a little clicking or popping, that's usually just gas escaping the joint, as long as there's no pain. Breathe in deeply. Keep the motion smooth and fluid. No jerking, no snapping. Keep your back relatively flat so your posture stays strong. You're doing great. Stay controlled, stay calm. Now, pause. Take a breath. Feel your knees loosen a little. Good. Now we reverse the direction. Same slow circles, same smooth rhythm. Balanced, steady, controlled. Perfect. For our second warm-up, get comfortable. You can do this on a yoga mat, or if you're watching first thing in the morning, you can do it right in your bed. This movement targets the calf muscles and the ankles, and that matters more than most people realize, because your calves act like a pump, helping send blood back up to your heart. Lie down on your back, legs straight out in front of you. Relax your arms by your sides. Now focus entirely on your feet. Imagine you're sitting in the driver's seat of a car. You're going to press the gas pedal down with one foot, pointing your toes far away from you, and at the exact same time, pull the toes of your other foot toward you. Then switch. It isn't a stretch, it's a mechanical action, smooth and rhythmic. Let's begin together. 1, 2. 1, 2. Find a steady tempo. Press down, pull back. Press down, pull back. Don't force the range too hard yet. We don't want to trigger a cramp. We just want to get the engine running. Keep that rhythm going. 1, 2. 1, 2. Feel the calf tightening and relaxing. That's the pump working. Just keep moving. Smooth, controlled, confident. And relax. Let your feet fall to the sides naturally. Wiggle your toes. Do you feel that slight tingling sensation in your lower legs? That's fresh oxygenated blood rushing into the tissues. That's a good sign. You're ready to work. Now that our calves are warm, it's time to make them stronger. We're going to stimulate growth. Many people think you need heavy gym equipment to build muscle. You don't. You can use your own body weight and leverage to get an incredible workout. Sit on the edge of a sturdy chair.
Your feet should be flat on the floor about shoulder width apart, your knees at a 90-degree angle. Here's the secret sauce for this move. Lean your upper body forward. Rest your forearms or your hands on your thighs just above your knees. By leaning forward, you're adding the weight of your torso onto your legs. You've just created your own gym machine. We're going to lift our heels as high as possible, pushing onto our toes, squeezing the calf muscle at the top, and then lowering slowly. We'll aim for 12 repetitions. Get ready, lean forward, put some weight on those knees, and begin. Lift the heels up, squeeze at the top, hold for a split second, slowly down, and again, up, feel that contraction in the back of the lower leg, down. Don't bounce, control it. Up and down. Press down with your hands slightly to add a little more resistance. Up and down. Breathe out as you lift. Breathe in as you lower. You're doing better than you think you are. This builds the strength you need to push off when you walk. Up, squeeze, down. Starting to feel a little burn? Good. That's the muscle waking up. Stay smooth. Stay steady, and rest. Rub your calves if you need to. Now I need to address something important. While we rest for the second set, let's talk about cramps. I know some of you are terrified of calf exercises because you're prone to painful Charlie horses, sometimes even waking you up at night. If that happens to you, or if you felt a twinge just now, here are 3 quick life-saving tips. Tip number 1, hydration with electrolytes. Plain water isn't always enough as we get older. A tiny pinch of sea salt in your water or eating a banana for potassium can help the electrical signals in your muscles work properly. Tip number 2, the magnesium miracle. Most seniors are deficient in magnesium. Taking a magnesium supplement before bed or using a magnesium spray oil on your legs can virtually eliminate night cramps for many people. Of course, check with your doctor first. Tip number 3, the stop signal. If a cramp hits during exercise, immediately stop, straighten the leg, and pull your toes toward your toes. This stretches the muscle and helps the spasm release.
Before we move to the next exercise, I have a small favor to ask. If you're finding this helpful, please click the like button below the video. It's not for my ego. It helps YouTube show this to other people who are struggling with weak legs. You might help someone find their way back to confidence just by hitting that button. Thank you. Now, stand up slowly. Take your time. We're moving to the next exercise. Find a clear section of wall. Stand facing the wall about 2 feet away. Place your palms flat on the wall at roughly eye level or slightly lower. Your arms should be straight but not locked. Now, keep your legs relatively straight. A tiny micro bend in the knees is okay, but don't squat. Push your hips backward. As your hips go back, your chest will naturally lower toward the floor. Your gaze should move down. Look at the floor, not the wall. Keep your neck neutral. You should feel a stretch or tension in the back of your legs. Your body forms a 90-degree angle, or as close as you can get. Then squeeze your glutes, your butt muscles, to pull yourself back up to standing and rise slightly onto your toes at the top for extra activation. We're going to do 8 to 10 repetitions, 1 solid set. Let's begin. Hips back, stretch. Look down. Now engage the glutes and stand tall. Rise onto the toes. Again, hips back. Feel that stretch. Up and tall. Inhale as you go down. Exhale as you come up. Keep your back flat like a table. Don't rush. Feel the movement. Common mistakes to avoid. Don't look up. This cranks your neck and can throw off your balance. Don't round your back. No hunching. Keep your spine long. And no swinging. This is a controlled hinge, not a bounce. Now keep facing the wall, but step back a little so you can lean on the wall with your palms. Your body should be at a slight angle, like a straight plank. Alternately, lift your knee up toward your chest. Lift it as high as you can. Hold for a moment, lower smoothly, then the other leg. We're aiming for 6 to 10 repetitions on each leg. Keep your arms strong. Lean on the wall confidently. Don't let your shoulders collapse. Don't rush. This is not a run. It's controlled strength. Engage your stomach. Feel how your core helps you stay balanced.
Now we'll add rotation. From the same position, lift your knee diagonally toward the opposite shoulder. Right knee toward left shoulder. Left knee toward right shoulder. This crossover movement wakes up deep abdominal muscles and the inner thighs, critical for protection against falls. Do 6 to 10 reps each side. Keep posture tall. Main mistake here is slouching. Don't hunch. Imagine your neck is long and straight. Why does this matter? Because when we walk, our body naturally rotates. If we lose that, our gait becomes stiff and wooden. These movements give your body that natural flow again. Now we go to standing hamstring curls. This targets the back of the leg, hamstrings, and the muscles along the back of your thigh. This is one of the most important movements for preventing trips. Place your hands on the chair for balance. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. Shift your weight onto your left leg. Now keep your knees side by side on the same line. Without moving your thigh forward, bend your right knee and pull your heel toward your buttocks. Hold 1 second at the top. Lower slowly and smoothly. Focus on the tension. Don't just lift. Feel the muscle on the back of the thigh tightening and shortening. Watch your knee. Don't let it swing forward. It stays pointed down. Keep posture proud. Don't lean. Don't let your hips sink. Common mistakes. Don't bend at the waist. Don't rush. Don't use momentum. And don't let the thigh drift forward. Knees stay best friends, side by side. Now we're at the final exercise. This is a true test of coordination, balance, and thigh strength. It forces your brain and body to work in unison, exactly what you need for confident walking. If you have serious balance problems, feel unstable often, or you're prone to dizziness, please don't do this one today. Start with dedicated balance training first. For everyone else, stand near a wall or sturdy furniture. You don't need to lean on it, just keep it within arm's reach so you can grab it instantly if you feel unstable. Stand tall, shoulders back. Slowly lift one leg in front of you, bending it to knee. Try to lift your thigh until it's parallel to the floor. At that moment, reach both hands under your thigh and make one crisp clap. Lower your legs smoothly, hands back to your sides. Then switch legs. We aim for 6 to 10 repetitions on each leg. Keep breathing. Exhale as you lift and clap. Common mistakes. Don't look at the floor. As soon as your head tilts down, balance gets worse. Keep your eyes forward. Don't lean your torso toward the leg. Back stays straight. And don't jerk or rush. Slow and controlled is what builds real strength. Now please don't click away yet. Remember what I said at the start. You created the stimulus for your muscles. That's 70% of success. Now we need the fuel, the remaining 30%. As we age, our bodies become less efficient at processing protein. This is called anabolic resistance. It means a 60-year-old needs significantly more protein than a 20-year-old to maintain the same muscle. To maintain health and muscle strength, experts generally recommend between 0.5 and 0.7 grams of protein for every pound of body weight, roughly 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram. For many adults, that can mean around 90 to 100 grams of pure protein every day. The easiest and fastest way to reach this goal is a high-quality protein powder. It's convenient and efficient. But if protein powder doesn't suit you, whole food options work beautifully too. The key is protein in every meal. Eggs, gold standard. The yolk contains nutrients that help improve muscle signaling. Greek yogurt, double the protein of regular yogurt. Fish, like salmon or tuna, rich in omega-3 fats that reduce inflammation and support recovery. Chicken or turkey, lean, powerful builders. And one more vital point. Your muscles can't contract without calcium, and calcium can't be absorbed without vitamin D. Most seniors are deficient in vitamin D. If you're low, your muscles can feel weak no matter how much you exercise. Eat fatty fish,
get safe sunlight if appropriate, or speak with your doctor about a supplement. So, here's the plan. You have the exercises, you have the fuel. Try this routine 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Give your muscles a day of rest in between so they can grow. If you commit to this, you'll notice a change. Not overnight, but in 2 weeks, that chair will be easier to get out of. In a month, stairs won't look so daunting. In 3 months, you'll be walking with a stride that surprises you. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel. More routines are coming. Balance, shoulder pain, back relief, and I don't want you to miss them. And save this video so you can come back tomorrow without searching. Thank you for spending this time with me, and more importantly, thank yourself for investing in your future. Stay strong, keep moving, and I will see you in the next.